more engaging.
Okay. Daddy, what you need to
Okay.
describe a lake. Describe a lake. Include animals, plants, or values below.
All right. So to describe a lake is something. It is a body of water wherein it is trapped around, let's say, a land. We happen to. I believe that the first time I set up my foot here in Vietnam, I saw a lot of lakes, and I was actually mesmerized by the beauty of the Huan Kiam Lake, wherein that lake is so huge, and the people around are like enjoying to capture the beauty, the scenery of Huan Kiam Lake. And one thing that also mesmerized me is that I don't know if I'm not sure if it is called Turtle Island in the center of the lake. That is so mesmerizing. And aside from that, there's a lot of trees, which makes the environment like cool and green.
Okay, thank you, teacher. I hope to see you again shortly. Okay, have a nice day.
You too. Thank you so much for the time. I would be more than available to help you with anything else. Goodbye now.
Yes.